Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to convert Figma design to Android Studio. So guys, if you want to convert your Figma design into the Android Studio, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, here you see this is my uh, screen, main screen of my application. First you click here, then you go first into the action section. In the action section guys, click on plugin and visit, and here you simply search the Figma exporter. When you find it, okay, now you select your image. Here you see export, and if you want to do more settings, so you just go and make more settings. Here you choose your Android, it shows all other platform also, and choose your image type. If you want to SVG, so just select the SVG, web, JPG, whatever you want, you just choose. Now you simply click on the option of export. First I change it to the PNG, then export. Now it start exporting. Here you see, and this is your image. It shows here in multi extensions. Okay, so you just open and use it. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.